Hello, I'm Monica Perez. I'm from Lima, Peru. I have 39 years old. I have my family, and he is my husband, Lucio Alfredo. And I have my only son. He is Paul, and he has 19 years old. A few months ago, my son Paul had an aneurysm, an accident in his brain, and it was very hard for me and my family. Unfortunately, these days he is much better, and it is really is a blessing of our God. In the picture on the right, this picture is many years ago. He always was a healthy young man. And in the picture of the left, we are together in the beach after the accident. He is a little slim, but right now he's much better than this. And I hope to learn all the knowledge that I need as a teacher, and with this course in culture and diversity, because I think that in my country we have many cultures too, and it's different the treat that you need to have with them, and this is a challenge for us. And I believe that receive education on this could be better as a teacher. I'm secretary. 10 years ago, I'm working as a secretary, but always I have in my mind that I could become a teacher someday. I hope it could be a reality, a dream come true. And I serve as a teacher in the church in a program called English Connection. Well, this is my family. I'm Monica Perez, and welcome to all of this course. Thank you.